We begin with the latest from a bus crash in Portland yesterday, which saw 22 students being injured. The public passenger minibus in which they were traveling overturned at Bar Hill in the parish. 16 of the 22 students from the crash were treated and released. The other 2 remain in hospital. This latest incident raises renewed concerns about speeding and what the police call lapping. TVJ's Anthony Lugg explains.
Just last week, the Portland police made this announcement at the monthly municipal meeting.
We have an issue where students are placing bus in what they call lapping up.
1 week later, a major accident at Bar Hill in Port Antonio, injuring 22 students, some of whom were believed to be sitting in each other's lap. Residents rushed to the scene to provide assistance to passengers. At least 1 student was seen unconscious at the scene, while another suffered a broken leg. It's understood that shortly before 5 Friday evening, the driver of the bus was racing with another public passenger bus driver when a dog ran into the path of the vehicle. The driver swerved to avoid the animal but lost control of the vehicle. The bus overturned in a ditch. The incident has again raised concerns about the overloading of public passenger vehicles in the parish and careless driving by the operators.
They love to waste too much. I want to get too much passenger one time. At 40, 50 now one bus. So the authority have to do something about it.
Even though it happened dangerous, so they must use this as an example and say they not feel load them up and drive so fast. That's all I could have beg the country. And if stop load the pitney them, go to Marant Bay way when they figure school that way, yeah, them a load the bus. Go that way they to first before them put in them figure the right way.
The police say the driver was ticketed for the practice of having students sit in each other's lap. The Transport Authority has condemned the practice of operators who force commuters, including children, to sit in each other's lap, which it describes as illegal and inhumane. It says operators caught overloading vehicles can be prosecuted and fined up to $50,000. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.